Hello. Hello, this is the My Artifact episode number 3620. Today's date is 2nd of October 2025. It's been almost like a night at 8:41 p.m. I don't know, it's been actually October and weather is really warming right now. The weather is right now is 26 degrees Celsius, but still it feels like warm. It feels like 32 degrees Celsius. By the way, right now temperature is 26, but the surface temperature is almost like a 32 degrees Celsius. Yeah, 32 is too much, but yeah, bit really warm. Okay, yeah, whatever. I belong to the India. I'm used to with this temperature. Okay, yeah. I don't know. Like basically, sometimes I just imagine that what if India could be kind of like only snowfall is actually happen in India, like. it would not gonna happen, like definitely not gonna happen until and unless our entire country went into the kind of like a towards the North Pole or towards the South Pole, then this might gonna happen, but probably not. Okay, but I would kind of like imagine that what if kind of like a snowfall happened in India. Oh my boy. Really beautiful. Whatever, let's just jump into the question. Okay, yeah. The question is that wait. No, yeah. Let's just jump into the question. Yeah, there is nothing really hard to say. Like basically, I thought that I have some sort of stuff to say, but yeah. Okay. Question is, what if virtual reality became indistinguishable from reality? Indistinguishable. Oh my god. Indistinguishable. Why they use this kind of like a very tough word? Okay, let me tell you one thing. What is at least this question? First of all, what is at least this question? This is what if question. And why am I asking this question to myself? What if question is always been really interesting way to kind of like give the answer. It's really great. It's kind of like something that key. It felt really good to kind of like give the kind of like some answer. What if question is kind of like somebody try to force you to think about that way, kind of like that reality, create that particular reality and things like that, and it was like really beautiful. Okay, I don't know, I just feel like I really enjoy while giving the answer about this what if questions and answer. Also, let me tell you one thing, the information that I am trying to tell you is not exactly right answer, is not exactly wrong answer too. It is my thought process. Whatever exactly what I'm thinking right now, I'm just trying to explain this thing. Okay. Alright. So let's just jump into this. Let's just jump into in this thing. Okay. Like let's just jump right into in this thing. Okay. Now question is that what if our virtual reality became so real, then what would be happen? If our virtual reality became kind of like something so real, then what would be? Well, when I like ask this, like basically this thing, this question is kind of like a resonate a two scenario, a kind of like a somebody two specific movie. Okay, yeah, a Matrix movie. Okay, yeah, if you haven't really seen the Matrix, okay, yeah, Matrix is kind of like somebody try to give the exact same answer regarding about this question, and Inception is also kind of like give the same answer regarding about this question. Okay, now what exactly is this thing? What is exactly that? Okay, first of all, let me give you context. Okay, VR, virtual reality. What is exactly is this thing? A virtual reality means like that ki right now we are browsing internet. Okay, yeah. So we are actually browsing internet, we are browsing Instagram, YouTube and everything. We are actually browsing those internet in 2D dimension. Okay, what is actually 2D dimension? 2D dimension means like that ki you are scrolling all those reels, stories, Instagram, YouTube, everything that you do in internet is actually kind of like in some sort of screen. You are accessing internet through some sort of screen, your mobile screen, your computer screen, your television screen, right? Those screen are 2D. Okay, now 2D means like that X and Y, Z. Okay, there is no 3D. Okay, I still not really understand. Okay, let me give you the context. Okay, yeah, if you not really understand, 3D means like that three-dimensional environment. We are living in this world where three-dimensional environment, X-axis, Y-axis and Z-axis. Okay, yeah. But your internet, the internet, like basically the reels that you are scrolling is 2D environment. Like it's not 3D. It's at some time there is a kind of like some sort of effects that look like 3D, but it's a 2D. Okay, yeah. So basically, the internet that you are accessing is called 2D. Virtual reality is a kind of like a something make that 2D internet into 3D. Okay, yeah. And how this thing is actually happened by wearing some sort of special goggles or special glasses. Okay, yeah. So when you wear those kind of like a special goggle or special glasses, it create that 3D environment. Okay, yeah. And that environment is internet. Okay, means it's everything. It's a kind of like somebody your universe. That whatever you kind of like somebody do it, it's over there. Okay, yeah. So that is called virtual reality. Okay, yeah. Now at the moment, virtual reality is a new technology. Okay, yeah. We have kind of like a couple of goggles that we have are kind of like a somebody catering those virtual reality, but still the innovation is really required in virtual reality, because like let me tell you one thing, the gadget that we have or the equipment that we have to access the virtual reality is far much complicated. Another thing is that it's not really easily accessible. Okay, like basically if I wanted to access internet, I just open up my phone and kind of like went into the internet and kind of like do everything. Virtual reality or kind of like wearing those VR goggles is not really kind of like a convenient. Okay, yeah, it was too bulky, it was too heavy. It's not really kind of like a convenient to wear for a long period of time, and that is not a good thing. Okay, yeah. So at the moment, virtual reality is a kind of like a simply new technology, and probably within maybe 10-20 years, we might kind of like develop little bit improve in our VR technology. Okay, yeah. But still, is this thing that VR technology will kind of like simply utilizing for masses, it will take even more time. It will take maybe another maybe 50 year probably. Yeah, 50 year, that is too much. Yeah, probably maybe 20 to 30 year might be this kind of like assembly available for masses. Okay, yeah. And this is a technology will gonna happen, definitely gonna happen. Now the question is that what if we would stuck into this reality, then what would gonna happen? Okay, what is at least stuck? Okay, yeah. Do you watch Instagram reel? Yes, I didn't really watch that much Instagram reel, by the way, but most of people actually watch so much time on internet watching this video and that video and that video. Okay, yeah. What if you are actually enter into that particular reality where internet is everywhere? Like basically you are the part of the internet. You are not accessing the internet, you are the part of the internet. You can access anything, you can email, you can do everything over there. It's a kind of like simply your universe. Okay, yeah. And what you can do, it's up to you. Like basically how do you make your universe is much better, bigger and things like that, it was up to you. There are a lot of thought process it actually came from VR that might be we would kind of like connect with the people in virtual reality. Means like that the real people would kind of like live in different part of the planets, and they would connect in this reality, and we would kind of like hang out each other in this particular universe, a virtual universe. Okay, yeah. Is this sound interesting? Well, let me tell you one thing now. VR, virtual glasses, yeah, it is really good. It is really fancy. It was really great and things like that. But probably is this thing na ki, I don't know, yeah, dude. It's like that na ki maybe I'm not really experienced this thing till the moment, so I don't really have that much kind of like a somebody admiration about how this actually look good or not, because I haven't really experienced that thing. Okay, yeah. But if imagine that ki if kind of like a somebody virtual reality became kind of like a somebody so real that it's been kind of like a somebody we are question that what is actually reality, then what would be that? What was that? There is a lot of things actually happened, but first of all, is it actually happen or not? Like this virtual reality will gonna actually happen? Like it will gonna happen. Does people will get addicted or not? Probably, yeah. But I don't know at the moment. Okay, I'm kind of like a giving any kind of like a some opinion regarding about that. Like basically whatever the kind of like a some consequences is actually happening, I'm kind of like a somebody thinking all those consequences from movies, from Matrix and Inception, and kind of like a something the uh, Ready Player One. These are also Hollywood movies. Are kind of like somebody telling the exact same scenario that what if people will kind of like somebody started living in virtual reality, then what would be that happened and this happened and that happened and that happened and that happened. We would not understand what is actually reality. We would start asking question to ourselves that ki, what is actually our reality. We are kind of like living in two personality. In real life we would be a regular person, but in virtual world we would be a Superman. So probably this thing, there is a lot of stuff. This VR, can it be became addiction? Like basically right now the mobile phone is became addiction. So in the future, can VR, virtual reality, become addiction in the future? Yeah, it might be. Yeah, some people might gonna utilize, or maybe some people, I don't know, dude. Okay, yeah, it's like that na ki probably, I don't know. Yeah, it's like I don't really understand the gravity of it. Okay, yeah, because I haven't really experienced the virtual reality. Haven't really experienced, like I did not experience the virtual reality, so I don't really know how much it had a big impact. Okay, yeah, because it's like that, na. Okay, it's a like for me, it's a very foreign concept for me. Okay, yeah, and I'm kind of like it's really very hard to accept this thing that ki virtual realities became our kind of like a some future technology will kind of like a stuff happen and this and that and that. It's a, I don't know, it's very hard to kind of like a simply consume this information at the moment. Whatever. Should I continue this thing? No, I don't want to. Yeah. Alright. I should supposed to be end here. This is it. Thank you.